Oh, how the casualties of all existence are just so traumatizing. So I was just taking my groceries back, and you know, I saw this dead baby bird. I mean, it's not a common sight to see a bird in a, you know, parking lot of a grocery store, but I'm guessing it was the mother bird laid her nest somewhere up high on this light pole. But I don't know, because I don't see a you know, I don't see anything around here where such a baby bird could have flown or gotten kicked out of the nest. But anyway, I've said it many times over. Every existence is precarious. Everybody suffers, and once you are placed into existence, whether you are a baby bird or a baby human, all mothers and fathers, babies, will eventually die. You are initiated into existence without your permission, and you will eventually suffer, age, and die. Thank you for watching my video.